Here, look how beautiful this stuff
I
is.
need another table.
Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. Alan, what do you see? Something wonderful and good?
I'll get him.
Wow-wee. There's nothing to eat here, I could tell already. Look.
I need 2 bus boys right away.
Oh my. Linses, pancakes, wonderful chicken, some kind of ziti, eggs, Benedict, my favorite. Here's some nice sausage and stuff. And here is a wonderful fellow. Tell me what you have today.
Whatever your heart desires.
No, what's on the...
Oh, we have ham, we have lamb, roast pork, roast beef, smoked salmon at the carving station.
Hot dog. What a nice guy. Look at this crowd. Here they are. They came to eat for a change. Okay, this is good. We're good at this. One of the strong points of our event. Oh, and here's some cake. It shouldn't be a total loss. This is it. Here you go. Look at this. Oh my. This is beautiful. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Right, I'm doing a good job. I'm taking movies. It's for YouTube. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Look, there's always room for Jell-O. Okay. Oh my. Look how beautiful this is. Just terrific. Terrific. Great party. It's wonderful, right?
We're going to eat good now.
I know. Here's Linda. Hello.